If you want smooth YouTube streams, getting your OBS bitrate right is key. First, check your internet upload speed. Your bitrate shouldn't be more than 75% of that. Otherwise, you'll get dropped frames. Next, in OBS, go to Settings, and then Output, and then Streaming, and choose CBR for consistent bitrate. For 1080p at 60 fps, aim for around 6000, and for 720p at 60 fps, 5000 works well. Adjust your keyframe interval to 2 seconds. That's what YouTube recommends. Make sure your CPU usage preset matches your PC. Faster presets reduce lag but increase CPU load. Slower presets save CPU but need a stronger internet connection. Check audio bitrate too. 128 is fine for clear voice, but you can go up to 160 for better quality. Finally, test your stream privately first and tweak the bitrate if you notice buffering or frame drops. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.